Sign up for my free ukulele course with the link down below. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on Overtime and it's on the ukulele, so let's get started. Today's song is just going to be on two chords. First chord that we're going to use, the main chords that we're going to use are F and G. But in the actual song, we're using F major 7 and then to G. The F major 7 is played like this. So you got the F, ring finger on the 3rd fret, A string, and then pinky on the C string, 4th fret. So you make that chord. If that is hard for you, play it here, bar the 5th fret, and then ring finger on the A string of the 7th fret. And that's F major 7, okay? So that is what you hear in the song. To G, that's what you hear in the song. Simple chord, just F and G. Okay. Alright, so basically with picking, we're hitting these 3 strings here. It goes, you can do that. So C, E, A string. So and you hit all 3 at the same time after. So and then to G, do the same thing. Back and forth, so each chord you're playing that twice. And back to F. Then G. I'll use the other F major 7. This one's a little hard, so sometimes that you can use, let's see if I can do one. Here goes. So you're gonna go down, up, and then mute the strings. Down, up, down. 2 times. So. Then to G. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Try it out with the other chords. Down is kind of hard. You can actually just go, if you want to make it like creative, fancy, you can go F. You can slide the G. However you want to do it, but hopefully you guys got the basics of it and get started playing the song. Oh, and you're playing F and G the entire time. Alright. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.